guys, welcome back to my channel. I have seen lots of influencers doing a huge PR haul. So as being a small creator, let's see what all I have got from a brand and let's open all of my PR box together. Okay, let's open all of these PR boxes. It was piled up in my room, so I thought like, why not create a video for a YouTube? Let's see what is inside this, as I know what is inside this. Okay, all clean balm from him is which I love a lot. I have finished like 3 tubes before coming to Canada, and I got one more from my side, and this is one which brand has sent me. So I really love this product. Tinted moisturizer, makeup sunscreen, and artless glow base. I think I will try and give a review on Instagram and TikTok, so follow me there to see all of the reviews. I think so I should buy now like the fancy knife to cut all the parcels, which usually all the influencer does. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. I got 3 packages from the brand Rios. Oh yeah, the dress I'm wearing right now, this is also PR from brand Rios. It's really beautiful and it's really comfortable in my skin, so I love it. Let's check what they have sent me. Okay, I got this pretty short t-shirt which is really pretty. I can style this in a different ways. That's an auto thing. Second one is, ooh, the mini skirt. I like it. I love it. I usually love Rios products, so I really love the dresses, everything they send me. Oh, this is pretty color. Okay, I got something different color this time. This is a green, so this is a dress. I love it. All of the video will go on Instagram and TikTok, so follow me there. The second one is, I don't know which brand has sent me this. No, I can't keep a track of a brand. It's really hard for me now. Oh, I think so this is lens. Oh yeah, yeah, I got a lens. I will wear this in my other videos. There is a lens. So let's open this one. This is from Just for Kiara. Okay, this is also a contact lens. It's a color contact lens. Oh, the packaging is good. I think so I know which color I have in this one. And they have sent me lens box as well, which will make me really easy. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, this is also lens as well. Oh, I got lots of lenses, so lots of makeup videos is coming on your way on Instagram, so stay tuned for that. I think so this is also contact lens, maybe. Yeah, this is also contact lens from maybe. Oh, the one was from Chloe, yes, one was from Just for Kiara. This is from Maybe. So lots of contact lenses. Now let's open all of the clothing items. Yeah, this is also PR from Silk on Me. This is from Rios. I love this shirt. I can style this in lots of ways. Maybe with a skirt as well. And ooh, this is from a brand Rios. Yeah, it's really pretty. I really love this dress. Ooh, it's a bodycon dress, but it has like a kind of flowy thing on the bottom. So I love this. Ooh. Just give me a second. I also have lots of skincare here. This is from the brand Skin 104. I really love this product. I have already used all of this from the vitamin C range. It's really good. It's really good for oily skin rather than dry skin, the vitamin C range. But all the Centilla range is really good for the dry skin as well. And I love this. I love this sunscreen. I had used the tube one, and this is in a stick form. It will be easy whenever you have makeup on, so just reapply your sunscreen whenever you want. It's really good. I really love this. This is my like second, not in a stick form but in a tube form. It is like my second or third tub. I really love all of this skincare. This is from a brand, let's see. From a brand Mika's. This is from a brand Mika's. This is a long dress. This is also a long dress. It's really perfect for summer. The colorful everything. Oh my god, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's a satin dress. And this is a coat. I also have a matching pant with this, but I don't know where I kept this one. So here it goes. And this is from a brand, this is from an Amazon brand. I don't know which brand is, but it's from Amazon that I know. I will write the brand right here. This is the pink pleasure they have sent me. And white dress. That's pretty. I think so it will be really big for me, but I love it. White dress. I will style that with a scarf. So stay tuned for that as well. And here is my another package. Okay, I got this pink pant, pink tailor pant, and brown tailor pant as well. One more gray pant. This is a tailor pant as well. Woo! I got a lot of PR this time, and I think so 2 or 3 PR is on its way. So I will again do the video with that, and I will combine all of the video and I will post this entire YouTube video. And if you guys want to know how I got all of this PR as a small creator, I will be more than happy to share with you all guys. And maybe I have more PR over there, so I will just go and grab and show you guys. I also got some jewelry from a brand Silk on Me. One is this bracelet. I have this too. Both of this is from Silk on Me. And this neck piece, which is really pretty. And yeah, I always wear this. It's like 18 karat gold. It's like tarnish free, so everything is really good. And this necklace, I really love their jewelry. It's really minimal, sophisticated, cute at the same time. And this one is the second one. And here is the third one. That's all what I got for PR till today. And I will show you the mess right here. Everything is messed up. I have to clear everything now. Today I got this PR package when I was editing the video. So let's open and see what this brand has sent me. This is from a brand OGL. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I got 1, 2, 3 things from the brand. Okay. First one is this. Oh, the pretty skirt. It's not a skirt, it's skirt. Because it has shorts inside, and from outer part it's a skirt. And it's so good. Oh my god, I like the fabric of OGL. I really love it. Let's check the second one. Second one is this pretty t-shirt, which is really casual, but it has like a wide opening from the back. I really love this, and it has inbuilt bra, so I love this one as well. What's this? Ooh, this is a mini dress. It has opening from a back as well, and it has inbuilt bra as well, so that's a good part. I really love it. I love the fabric of OGL. It's really heavy, it's really soft. I think so it will be really comfortable in the summer time as well. So don't forget to check my Instagram and TikTok for all the fashion and beauty videos.